Nacho.
I'm Taco.
And we are the Nacho and Taco Show.
Woo!
Yeah. So we're not in our studio. Our studio's right there. We're gonna be doing some gnarly jumps with a bike, a ripstick, a scooter over there, a skateboard, and a skateboard. Jeremy's going first.
What?
Go, Jeremy. Yeah, Jeremy.
What?
Nothing. I'm just saying, yeah. Don't mess up my grass, dude.
I didn't even hit it.
Okay, hold on. I go with skateboard. No, I'll go with scooter.
Into the darkness of the garage. Run! Run, Nacho, run!
Oh!
Yeah, Nacho!
Did you see that, Jeremy? Every taco?
You're terrible at this.
I know, right? Did you see that taco?
Nacho, you're terrible.
Did you see me do the taco, Jeremy?
Yeah.
Okay. I was like, woo. Okay, replay. Look. Yeah. Ooh.
I believe I can fly.
You know that was on me. Jeremy, your turn.
Have to?
Yeah.
Have to?
Ow.
Have to?
Yes. You should do it at a skateboard. We haven't used the skateboard yet.
This is how pro skateboard.
Alright. Go. Hold up. I'll be riding the ripstick while I'm waiting. My bad. Go. I know. Oh, you don't want to go again?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. I got the cool board.
Go ripstick backwards. Yeah, I'm going. No, I'm not. Oh yeah, I'm going. We're gonna check out his gap.
Ready?
If you follow me, I'm gonna kill you. I'm scared.
Oh!
Knocked out.
Ow. And this is the Nacho and Taco Show.
Bye. Hee hee.